Good morning, dear students.
Good morning,
How are you all? So, students, today what we will do? We are doing lesson 11, water and property. And I will show you with the okay. We have sand, sugar, chalk powder, salt, lemon, okay, and honey, and the solvent is and universal solvent is very good. Okay, so let's start. See, this is a transparent glass. Now I take tablespoon. Now again I take one more 2 tablespoon of. Then I put some water. Okay, half water. Then I stir it. So tell me, what do you see? Is there any salt left? No. It is fully dissolved in water soluble substance. Okay. Now I take. This is transparent glass, and now I take sugar. Okay, 1 and 2 tablespoon of sugar. Again, some water. Then what I do? Mix. Then gently I stir the sugar. Then what will you see? Sugar is slowly dissolving in salt and sugar dissolve in water. So which type of substance is this? This solute is a dissolving substance. Okay. So sugar and salt is a dissolving substance. Okay. It is dissolved in water. Okay. Now next, chalk powder. Okay. Now this is chalk powder. 1 and 2. You have to observe that. Put some water. Then mix. Now tell me, is this dissolving in water?
No.
Particles are left. Okay. So chalk powder settle down. Okay. Now next is sand. Okay. Let's see, is sand dissolved in water or not? 1 and 2 spoons. Again I put some water. What do you see? Is it mixed with water?
No.
Sand is dissolved in water?
No.
Again, its particles are settled down. Okay. So, which type of substance is this? Or not dissolving?
Not dissolving.
Now next.
Lemon.
Say this is a lemon. Now I squeeze lemon. I take juice. Okay. Lemon juice. Do you like lemon juice?
Yes.
Let's make it. Okay. Now I squeeze lemon in the transparent glass, and again what I take?
Water.
So what will you see? Yes, lemon is
Dissolved in water.
So which type of substance is this? Soluble substance. Okay, because it is fully dissolved in
Water.
and water is a
Solvent.
Now the last one, honey. So I take some drops of honey. Okay, count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, some honey in the transparent glass Again, what I take?
Water.
Okay, let's see. Let's check. Is it dissolving water or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Fully dissolved.
Okay, this is miscible or immiscible?
Miscible.
Miscible means fully dissolving water or
Liquid.
okay. Now, can you tell me some immiscible substances? Can you tell me?
Yes. Oil, petrol, diesel, butter.
Okay, Riddhi, you tell. Stand up and say.
These are immiscible substances. They are
Again say.
These are immiscible substances. They are float on water. They do not mix in the water. Thank you.
Very good. So, all of you understood? Clap. Clap. Okay. Okay, so all of you understood?
Yes.
Water is a... Okay, so experiment is over. I hope all of you understood
Yes.
the water and its properties.
Yes.
Okay, we have done number of experiments like dissolve in water, not dissolve in water, mix in water and float on water. Okay, so everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay, I hope you all are enjoying.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you students. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Okay. Okay students, now 3 claps for yourself.